Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a journey into the world of Boho Room Decors. In this video, we will guide you through the enchanting realm of Bohemian style and share some incredible ideas to help you infuse your space with that free spirit boho charm. Boho inspiration. Discover the essence of boho decor. It is all about embracing your individuality, mixing patterns, and celebrating nature's beauty. Get ready to let your creativity flow. Learn how to incorporate natural elements like plants, macrame, and wooden accents to bring the outdoor insights. We will show you how to create a smooth, earthy atmosphere. Colorful vibes. Bohemian decor is now for its vibrant color palettes. Explore how to use rich hues and textiles to add warmth and personality to your space. Layer textures. We will delve into the art of layering, from rugs to cushions and throws. We will teach you how to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that is perfect for relaxation. Layer textures. Peaceful retreat. Your boho room should be a sanctuary of tranquility. Discover how to incorporate mindfulness and relaxation into your decor choices. Sunset magic. As the sun sets, your boho room will come alive with the magical play of light and shadows. We will guide you on choosing the right lighting elements to enhance the ambience. Join us on this boho adventure as we transform your room into a bohemian oasis that reflects your free spirit and creativity. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring